Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerful motherboards that will level up your gaming experience. On the left, we have the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries motherboard, and on the right, we have the MSI B650 Tomahawk WiFi gaming motherboard. Are you ready? Let's dive in. All right, let's talk about the price. The MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi comes in at a sweet price of just $119, while the MSI B650 Tomahawk WiFi is a bit pricier at $259. Now, I don't know about you, but I could buy a whole pizza with that price difference. Moving on to processor support, the B550M PRO-VDH WiFi supports 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors and future AMD Ryzen processors with a BIOS update. Meanwhile, the B650 Tomahawk WiFi supports the upcoming AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. So, if you're a future-proof fanatic, the choice is clear. Let's talk memory, the brains of your gaming rig. The B550M PRO-VDH WiFi supports dual-channel DDR4 memory up to a whopping 128 GB at 4,400 MHz. On the other hand, the B650 Tomahawk WiFi takes it a step further with support for DDR5 memory, blazing fast up to 6,400 plus MHz. That's like having a Ferrari for your RAM. Now, let's check out the connectivity features. The B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi comes with lightning-fast game experience thanks to PCIe 4.0 and Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozr. Meanwhile, the B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi offers a 2.5G LAN and Intel Wi-Fi 6E solution, delivering a secure, stable, and fast network connection. With these features, you'll be fragging your opponents before they even load into the game. Keeping your rig cool is crucial for optimal performance. The B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi boasts Core Boost technology, optimized power circuit layouts, and digital power regulation, delivering precise and steady current delivery to the CPU. Plus, it has a premium thermal solution with a Heatsink thermal pad rated for 7W/MK and a PCB with 2 ounces thickened copper. On the other hand, the B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi features an extended heatsink design and M.2 Shield Frozr, ensuring high performance and non-stop works. These motherboards know how to stay chill. Last but not least, let's talk about audio. The B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi spoils your ears with studio-grade sound quality thanks to its Audio Boost technology. Get ready for immersive gaming experiences with crystal-clear audio. Meanwhile, the B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi focuses more on its other features. But hey, who needs great sound when you can have lightning-fast M.2 slots, right? Based on online reviews, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries motherboard is praised for its affordability, compatibility with Ryzen processors, and abundance of features. However, there are some concerns about the compatibility list and the reliability of the lighting controller. On the other hand, the MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi gaming motherboard receives high praise for its performance, stability, and networking options. Users appreciate its user-friendly BIOS interface and design. Both motherboards have received positive reviews for their value and functionality. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the MSI B550M PRO-VDH WiFi ProSeries motherboard and the MSI B650 Tomahawk WiFi gaming motherboard. Both are powerhouses in their own right, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. We've included the links to these products in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic showdown like this one. Until next time, keep buying smart.